Second technology I chose to explore is called Storyboard That. I went ahead and used my Gmail account again for this class to set up my account here. And this is what the dashboard looks like. You can see that there's many options here. There's an option for you to set up your class. You can add your students. You can make assignments. You can make store your storyboards and create storyboards as well. Then you can see how you can set up and invite your students and create your first assignment. Um, I chose this resource because it is an innovative way for students to summarize a text. There are so many options for text and graphics. It is basic but versatile storytelling tool. Um, Again, my audience is my fourth grade students, and I continued with the topic of reading strategies. And so this time with this tool, I would be focusing on summarizing. And so my goal or objective, or what I call my I can statement, would be I can use key ideas and details in a text and use those to summarize the text. So I went ahead and started an example of a summary to show my students. So I'll go ahead and show you that example, and then I'm going to show you all the options they have for creating a storyboard. So again, I stuck to the book Writing Freedom that we would use as a novel study, and this is just three squares of a summary that I did as an example for my students. But you can see that you can add graphics, you can add text, and it would be a fun way for students to summarize a chapter, summarize the entire book, summarize a paragraph, etc. But I'm going to go back and show you how I got started. And I did create a storyboard. And then you start with these three blank squares, and you can go from there. You can add cells, they call them cells, you can delete cells, and you can see that there's so many things to choose from. I just thought it was very neat. I would actually just give my students one day just to explore before I even gave them the assignment. I've learned that that works best. Um, so the intended, or excuse me, my ISTE standards were ISTE EL3C, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. And then again, I used ISTE EL1B, ensure all students have access to technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. Um, then you can see that you can save this, that I actually have to do some work there. I'm going to go back to my, sorry, I'm going to go back to my example, and then you can see the options that you have. You can edit, you can download, you can print. When you download, there's just different options. Anyways, there's also already templates ready for you, graphic organizers, infographics, project ideas, and this site could be used for elementary, middle school, and high school. So I just think it looks really fun and really useful.